First we will see. Suppose if I take a digital sum, DS means digital sum. Digital sum is nothing but the sum of the digits till a single digit is obtained. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means if I take 91, what is the digital sum? 9 plus 1, 10. 1 plus 0, 1. 181, what is the digital sum? 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. These is a set of all the numbers whose digital sum is 1. 332. What is the digital sum? 9 plus 2, 11. It is 2. So, first is set of all the numbers whose digital sum is 1. Set of all the numbers whose digital sum is 2. Set of all the numbers whose digital sum is 3. Set of all the numbers whose digital sum is 9. You cannot have digital sum 0. Sum of the digits at 0 is illogical. 1 square, which is 1. 2 square, which is 4. 3 square, which is 9. 4 square, 16, which is nothing but 7. 5 square, 25, which is nothing but 7. 6 square, 36. 3 plus 6, 9. 7 square, 49. 4 plus 9, 13. 1 plus 3, 4. 8 square, 64. 6 plus 4, 10. 1. 9 square, 81. 8 plus 1, 9. So, what are all the right hand sides we got? 1, 4, 9, or 7. Please write down, sir. Every perfect square has a digital sum. Every perfect square has a digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. But all the numbers with the digital sum, 1, 4, 7 or 9, 1, 4, 7 or 9 may or may not be perfect squares. May or may not be perfect squares. Very, very important point, sir. May not be perfect squares. Please write down. If a number is a perfect square, if the number is a perfect square, it will have digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. But if the number digital sum is 1, 4, 9, 7 or 9, it may or may not be a perfect square. Example, 25. 25 is a perfect square. What is the digital sum of that number? Digital sum is 2 plus 5, 7. But if you take 61, what is the digital sum of 61? 7. Is it a perfect square? It is not a perfect square. If I take 16, it is 7. It is a perfect square. Reverse case may or may not be true. If a number is a perfect square, it should have digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. It should have digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. But the reverse may or may not be true. If the number is a perfect square, it should have digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. But if a number has got digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9, it may or may not be perfect squares. Please write down few examples. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1 is 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. A perfect square is 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1 a perfect square. What is the digital sum of these number? Digital sum of these number is 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 11, 12. 12 is 3. A perfect square will always have digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. Always have digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. Second example is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. A perfect square. A perfect squares. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. A perfect square. What is the digital sum of these number? Digital sum of these number is 1 plus 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. Which is 16. Which is 30. 30 is 3. It is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. I hope it is clear. How many? Third question. How many 2-digit perfect squares how many 2-digit perfect squares has a digital sum? How many 2-digit perfect squares has a digital sum 5? How many 2-digit perfect squares has a digital sum 5? Now if you see here, how many 2-digit perfect squares? If a number is a perfect square, the digital sum should be 1, 4, 7 or 9. So, but the digital sum is 5. Every perfect square has a digital sum, has a digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. But he is asking for digital sum 5. So, answer is no number exists. No number exists. No number exists. I hope it is clear. How many 2-digit numbers? How many 2-digit numbers? How many 2-digit numbers has a digital sum 3? How many 2-digit numbers has a digital sum 3? How many 2-digit numbers has a digital sum 3? Now see here. Good question, sir. How many 2-digit numbers has a digital sum 3? What is the, there is a number and this number digital sum should be 3. This number digital sum should be 3. What is the lowest value that will have digital sum? 3, n is 3. If I add 9 to it, 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 digital sum is 3. Again if I add 9 to it, 21 it is 3. 30 it is 3. 39 it is 3. 48 it is 3. So the form of that number will be, the form of the number will be, lowest is 3. Every time if I add 9, digital sum will not change. Form of the number is 3 plus 9k. K will not take 0 because if it takes 0, I will get a single digit number. K will take from 1 to 10. K will not take any value from 11. Why? Because 11 nines are 99. 99 plus 3 is 102. So this will have all the values from 1 to 10. There are 10 numbers. There are 10 numbers that will have digital sum 3. I hope it is clear. How many 2-digit numbers? He is not referring to perfect square. He is referring to how many 2-digit numbers. A number lowest digital sum is 3. Every time if I add 9 to it, every time if I add 9 to it, every time if I add 9 to it, digital sum does not change. So the form of the number is 3 plus 9k. 3 plus 9k. I require 2-digit number, so k cannot take 0. K will be 1. 1 to 10. If k takes 11, 11 nines are 99 plus 3, 102. 102 it is a 3-digit number. So 1 to 10 all the values it can take. 1 to 10 numbers. So answer is write 10 values. I hope it is clear. Fourth example. Fifth example. Lot of examples we will do in our class. Fourth one clear, right? Next one. Fifth one. Fifth one. X square minus 3y square equivalent to 8. X and y are natural numbers. How many values x, y will take? X square minus 3y square equivalent to 8. X, y are natural numbers. How many values x, y can take? Method 1. X square minus 3y square equivalent to 8. Observation. X square is a perfect square. Any number, if the power is an even number, it is a perfect square. Perfect square will have digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. These are the all the possible digital sums. These are the all the possible digital sums. I hope it is clear. Minus any number multiplied by 3. You multiply any number by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. Digital sum 3. 3 9s are 27. 2 plus 7 digital sum is 3. Any number multiplied by 3, the answer possible digital sum is 3, 6 or 9. 3, 6 or 9. Any number multiplied by 3, any number multiplied by 3, digital sum will always be 3, 6 or 9. If you multiply any number by 3, digital sum will always be 3, 6 or 9. Now if you observe, anywhere am I getting 8? What do you mean by digital sum? Digital sum is also nothing but the remainder when you divide a number by 9. This is an alternate definition. 1 minus 3 minus 2. Minus 2 means positive remainder 7. 1 minus 6 minus 5 positive remainder 4. 1 minus 9 minus 8 positive remainder 1. 4 minus 3 1. 4 minus 6 minus 2. Minus 2 means positive remainder 7. 4 minus 9 minus 5. If you get a negative remainder, add it to the denominator. Minus 5 plus 9 4. 9 minus 3 6. 9 minus 6 3. 9 minus 9 0. Anyway, after doing the operation, digital sum 8 not possible. Digital sum 8 not possible. I hope it is clear. Digital sum 8 not possible. Answer is no value for x comma y exists.